guys, welcome to my channel. I want to teach you today a very easy and paying site. In fact, you are using it every day, but you may not know that they are paying. They used to pay in different kind of things. Is either they pay in money, they pay in cars, in fact they pay in also in phone, in airtime and all these things. So it is better for you now to stick on this channel by subscribing to my channel right now. Please, the only gift you can give to me is to click on the subscription button right now and click on the notification button, because there are many videos I'll be dropping on this that will pop out your life. In fact, that will make sure that it will enhance you and it will make room for you by earning money. I am making this channel to make sure that people are liberated from zero to thousands to millions, depending on how you want it. Let's go to the video. Please, before we go, click on the subscription button, because I used to give you best video you will like. Let's go and see this channel. What is the things we want to discuss today is that you people, let's go open your Opera. Opera are paying very well nowadays. What do you want to do with Opera right now is that the simple thing you will do with Opera is just for you to just click on the link I will send to the description, or you go and download the new Opera. If you have Opera before, delete it and go and download it. The best thing, after you have downloaded it, now you will see what to shake. Immediately you shake it, it will bring you a price. That price, when you reach at least 3 times, it will definitely, when you reach 6 times, definitely you have won. Let me show you my own. So that you will know that it's very real. In fact, I've won at least a little prize from this site. Let's go. So guys, this is my Opera mini site now. This is how it will look like. Now let's come down here. Look at this place. Can you see where a hand hold something, phone like that? Now when you click on that place, but before that, you go and register first. When you register your site, you register your name, you go to the blah blah blah. After you have opened new site, by clicking the description, in my description I will make sure that I throw the thing there. You can click it, and then when you click on the Opera, that and you see one there, the root one. It means that I still have one task to perform. So you'll be performing the task every 4 hours, and you can earn. Guys, you will see what I will see. Oh, yeah, let's go. It's loading. Let's wait for it. So guys, you will shake after you have registered. So once you have registered, you will shake and look at what I just earned. I earned +1. Look at this place. Can you see this place? And can you see this place as well? So if all this one, write 1111, so is where I can now get my own 8,000 naira. So you get this thing, people are earning from it. And let me show you what I've earned so far, because I just started. Look at this, what I've earned. Yes, I think the day before yesterday, I earned this 200 MTN airtime, and this thing does not consume so much of data, doesn't even consume data. You can even use free data for it. Say you get a little data, you can use for it. I think this message I passed to you do great thing for you. Please help me to go to the subscription button, help me to subscribe and click on the notification bell, because I have many videos I want to be dropping for you guys. Thank you for your love. I love you so much. Please, I love you. And make sure help me to subscribe. I beg, please help me to subscribe. Please subscribe. I love you so much. Thank you very so much. Bye bye.